The problem is that unless somebody cancels, they can't do it. So I mean, this thing, it just
No,
builds
that's
some extra,
terrific.
you know?
Yeah, really nice. Doubled your space, right?
Yeah, that's it. And it was quick to set up. Europe, that's good, right?
Nice.
But you gotta get them before you buy the chassis already done. Put it drop it on.
That's a beautiful. It never pull up in Mario Cuomo. You need it ever in my life.
Lime is a tough color, like making the box. Cobra? It's here? That's $60. Pretty nice car. It's got some coloration, issues.
Thank you.
Sure. How you doing?
How much you asking for the black fur?
Just pull it out of there. The price underneath. Pull it out. Take a look. Pull it out. It's okay. Hi, how are you? $5 a piece. Do you have
Yeah,
your
I'm
box?
gonna buy the 4.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's painted. Somebody painted this. Yeah. Yeah, not from the factory.
Oh yeah?
Looks like somebody painted it. Yeah. I think it was a white car. Don't forget. It's $45.
It's always something.
Oh yeah, there's a little bit of orange peel in the bottom that I don't know.
Spick and span. Spick and span strips it.
You could put it in a lot of different things.
I've-
I got the pages for that.
you-
Spick and span will take it off though?
yeah. And then a toothbrush.
Take the chrome off.
Toothbrush, yeah.
Chrome off.
Toothbrush. No, it doesn't affect the chrome spick and span. I've done it. Not go home every night from work. It's just a little toothbrush. Rinse it in cold water. Put it back in the spick and span. About a week. All the paint's off.
Yeah, I'll come back later.
Removes the chrome too. Chrome car.
It doesn't take the chrome.
A chrome plated car.
Oh, I never did it with a chrome coat. Yeah. I know what you're talking about. They call them strippers.
Stripper.
Yeah.
To reveal the paint and the resin plastic.
Yep.
I raised the price on it.
I'm Sal, by the way.
Tony,
How you doing, man?
nice to meet
Where
you.
you from?
Here, Levittown.
Uptown?
Exactly.
I think it was the say on the bottom. Yeah. 40 is good.
You have something to put it in?
Yeah. Got a little bag, Mike. Excuse me.
This one I can make whatever number I want, right? Oh, it's on the side. No, I thought that was his tag and he forgot to put the price on it.
How much that lime, Clara?
Here's the one to drop it and have to buy it.
I can't go on that date. It's a nice car.
I got
Nice
that.
car. You got it? You got it? You got the brown one?
No.
That's a tough car.
I'm an
Tough
idiot. I saw a brown one on eBay for $300 with the gold stripe, and the guy showed underneath, and it's like he put some putty for the front screw post to hold it in place, and I didn't buy it. And like an hour later, I went back to look at it. It was gone. Just to display it, you know.
You could Dremel that shit off. like.
Yeah, it was probably holding the post.
Yeah.
But still, just to have it, it's the only. I've never seen
It's a
one.
placeholder.
I've never
Right.
seen one live.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying.
I should have just bought it, and
I haven't seen a lime in like 6-7 years.
I got That's my Hurricane, one of my Hurricane Sandy cars.
What's the story behind that?
So I'm at the Belmore flea market, and I asked the guy do you have slot cars? No, but some guy over in Freeport is selling them. So I went over there, he had all Hot Wheels. And I said, somebody said you had slot cars. He goes, oh, I got them in my garage. They got flooded out during Sandy. So all the chrome came off of the cars. But the cars are mint. $100. That was one of them.
He still wanted 100 for it.
What?
He still wanted 100.
Yeah, he said he was disgusted.
Oh shit.
All four of the Mustang.
The competition cars?
No, the regular Mustang. What are they called again? Right there in the middle.
Oh, the Mach 1.
The Mark ones. All the colors.
Red, blue,
Yep.
white.
Complete. Green dump truck. There was about 15 cars. So I just cleaned them all up and I got them in my case. You can't see the bumper.
There's a pen. There's a pen for the chrome.
Yeah,
They said it works pretty good.
it works great because I do it on other cars. I call them my Sandy cars. That's the way I bought. I cleaned all the chassis, oiled them.
Mario has a lot of chrome pieces.
Yeah. I talked to the guy. He said leave them. That's the way you got them. And I'm not looking to sell them. And you know.
You happen to have the top, the roof for Falcon?
Mario's the one who asked.
It popped off. I don't know where the hell. It's actually I think it might be a dash Falcon. I gotta. If he has it. Otherwise, I gotta hit up. I think Phil might have it.
Yeah. Ask Mario when you head that way.
$1,200 just for one day. He goes through the airline.